Hey guys, today we have another unboxing video. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to know when there's a new video. It is Unboxing Monday. In the last few weeks, I've received 3 different Influencer Voxboxes to test out, and we're going to check those out today. The first one was from OneADay, and it was a chewy multivitamin. It says it's supernatural, made from real apples, and you know what? It actually was pretty tasty. So I tried taking these in the morning just to get a jump start of some multivitamins, and they taste pretty natural, believe it or not. Not too sweet, but also, sweet enough. These vitamins are specifically formulated for women, and they are also packaged in these individual wraps, and portions are perfect. They're tiny little squares, really chewy, easy to just throw in your mouth and go. My second box was actually from VELVEETA, and let me tell you what, I love cheese, I love mac and cheese, I love things with cheese, so this was the perfect box for me. I was so excited when I got it, and I already knew that I wanted to make mac and cheese with it. The box came with instructions on a specific recipe and a box with individually wrapped cheese blocks and this really cool spatula that, let me tell you, after the fact has been used for all kinds of things besides the mac and cheese I made. If you want to take a look at the mac and cheese process, I do have that on Instagram, on my IGTV, so I'll go ahead and link that also below. But the mac and cheese was amazing. The last and most recent box was actually makeup, and I believe it's pronounced Joah, but I got some really cool products that I actually tested out recently and I love. If you'd like a video on a review of these products, let me know below in the comments. But there was a luminizer stick, there was a face mist, and there was also this really cute highlighter, which is very sparkly. Again, if you want a review on specifically these makeup products by Joah that I got by Influencer, leave your comments below, and I'll go ahead and do a review on those. So I hope you guys enjoyed the Vox boxes I got. I was so happy. If you are interested in joining Influencer so that you can also get free products for review, please check out the details below because I have put in my link so that you can get that information. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.